So hello crypto addicts and welcome to this tutorial. Gonna take this opportunity to wish you Happy New Year. Okay, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, year started 2021 started perfect start. Also Merry Christmas, maybe late, but we still it's still Christmas. So Merry Christmas as well. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for comment, liking, and sharing. There it goes, guys. So the question is, I got a lot of these questions coming in. Should I sell it now because Bitcoin almost touched, just scraped the 35k? Should I cash out? Okay, guys, and a lot of you will be surprised when I tell you that don't cash out, buy more. Okay, now because Bitcoin reached this level, and a lot of people use the RSI. Okay, obviously, we'll go through it as I'm showing you what I've been following and what I use to my analysis and find my price predictions. Now again, this is only for education purpose only, guys. I don't want to be responsible for you to either buy or sell Bitcoin. You need to measure your risk and make that decision. Okay, think long and hard and make that decision. Now let's go to the screen here, and right now is everything mumbled up here, so we're just going to reset the chart, and here is what I have. Okay, this is what I use. So it's the weekly chart on Bitstamp, on TradingView, my favorite place for chart analysis. But my favorite trading platform, you guys know, is Binance. Okay, so what we have here. So pretty much like I said, today we scraped at 35,000. Bitcoin could make a correction today here of about 70%, guys. If we see that 17%, that will tell us this may be it. This may be the top down. But I don't think he is. And the reason I don't think he is, guys, is if you look here, this is so we have 35. So we just broke this line here, which was a 33, which actually broken yesterday. Next level will be 39. Next level will be 50. Okay, after we touch 50, I see no problem, nothing stopping us either to go all the way. Okay, so you guys see here with a stop of 50, so that's the target shift, that's 48,700, and then we're gonna go back into these channels, back to where taking the highest of previous history of Bitcoin, December 17, which was the highest price, and it was for the last 3 years. So guys, but because a lot of people only look at the RSI to find tops. I personally don't use the RSI to find tops. I use RSI to get me back into a trade if I get out. Okay, so that's how I use the RSI. Also, you can manipulate the values of the indicators to suit your needs. And once you find something that works, guys, stick to it. And if it works, it works. This is the great thing about trading is everyone create their own modules and follow them. Okay, follow to the T, because once you create your own analysis models, and if you stick to it, it will happen. Okay, now let's bring the indicator I'm using here. So here's the indicators I'm using here. I use stock. Obviously the values are not showing because this is my secret. But guys, here is where we at. Okay, so this is where we're right now. Here is this green line. Okay, symbol tells me that we still have about 50% more to go from here in terms of Bitcoin growth. So again, 50,000, 100,000, 120,000. If we get up here, that puts us under 20,000. Okay, and then from there, that's where I will be expecting for us to start see those, 20%, 30% drops, corrections. Okay, right now I don't see anything to be concerned about it, because if we go back here and we go back in time. And here is when Bitcoin, okay, so you can see what this is actually a clone of this green line, where we start to see Bitcoin topped out, and then we start to give it pullbacks and goes back a pullback, until it touches the all-time high back in 2017, and then we have a 17% correction. It didn't recover from that, it actually went even further, and then we had the pullback. Okay, and that pullback, that lasts all the way through 2018. Then we go until January here now, January 2019. Again, we topped very quick. That was a very quick topped out, and we come back again. And then, but this is March 2020, where this bull run start. the bull market, not the bull run. The bull run hasn't actually even begin as far. It's showing signs, if we want to compare this bull run back to the bull run in 2017, guys, this bull run is very consistent. It's very slow. Okay, it's not fast. It's not fast at all compared to 2017. Okay, in 2017, guys, you couldn't even see the numbers. It was so quick. It was so fast. It was the dumb money. Just buy because they were buying. Okay, they weren't buying in the plan. You're just buying it. You could even try and plan anything because the next minute you blink your eye, Bitcoin without going up 1,000. Right? Right now, Bitcoin is going up, doing consolidation like it's doing right now. Almost touched 35, comes back to 33. It's consolidated 33, 100, like it did the day before, and the day before that, and the day before that, and then makes a new high. Now, I see the same thing continue to happen, guys. Like I said, until March is probably where potentially be seeing the first top down. Maybe we'll see about another 20% drops, and then it will start to happen. You guys can see it happens a few times before we top. You can see the red line here before we topped out, which that one is, topped out. It should be around September. September this year, that's where we topped out, and then it makes much more sense compared to the last time that we topped out because it was near to Christmas. So here say September, last time was December. So usually when these big corrections or consolidations happens is 1 month early and around the Christmas time. So this one makes more sense that's where we're gonna see the big pullbacks of Bitcoin will be near Christmas this year. As of right now, guys, I don't see reasons. With everything that happened, economy, COVID, everything that happened out there, guys, there is no other place to be than cryptocurrencies. Okay, so. Is this the time for you to cash out? Well, think long and hard. In my opinion, this is the time to buy more. Okay, buy more, buy more, buy more. And you buy Bitcoin, guys. I'm not a one guy coin. I trade a few coins, good coins. The more they move, the better, because that's how we make money. So obviously, I'm looking for this trend to continue back to all the way up to 50. Okay, so 50 there, and then the next one up there. Which I have this gap here. Okay, when it continues to go to the next gap, continues this trend, that should be 70, then 70 from 70 to 80, 87, okay, 89, 95, 96, and then 100. But this one will be very near to the top, so they say 120, 100, which is pretty much the numbers I've been calling out there, guys. Okay, Bitcoin by the end of the 2021, under 20,000, could double in price. Of course, it could. It could be even 300,000. Okay, everything could be. But right now, this is what the chart I'm showing here, and this is the last channel. This is the channel when Bitcoin actually touched 20,000 the last time in 2017. Okay. And that's the one that puts us right at under 20,000. So, guys, do you want to panic if we have a correction right now of 5, 6, 7%? Absolutely no. Buy more. If you got out of the trade, get back in at the bottom, sell at the top, and keep doing. So, once again, guys, I'm Janusz. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. 2021 is your year. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.